Hey guys and girls, welcome to a misty morning. I'm going to do a cold start on my car. I've got to do the school run. So, water is needed. This is tepid water. I'm spilling most of it. Oh, little Panda car is quite frozen over, as you can see. That's quite cold. First test, do the doors unlock. That's a good sign. Do they open? Yep, that's a good sign. Right then, the procedure for starting up my Panda car. Lol. And it goes like this. Key goes in. I can hold the camera. Ignition goes on, lights and everything else go off.
Baby girl, Molly Rose is her second.
Shut up. Right. First of all, it's choke all the way out. And 3 pumps of the gas pedal, if you can see that. You can't really see anything in this car. You can see my Crocs there, dirty Crocs. 1, 2, 3 pumps of the gas pedal. Clutch down, neutral engaged, and then start the car up. Then it's a case of feathering it on the throttle initially, because my fuel pump doesn't hold the fuel in the front, so it has to drag it from the back again all the time. And as you can hear, it's running. And already we can turn the throttle down, the choke down a little bit. Oops. Yep, it's very cold. That car's got heaters. Electric ones. And my mum's shouting and screaming it's time, so I need to get this car defrosted. Thanks for watching, guys and girls. Peace out.